Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Gap Incorporated employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Gap Incorporated Employee Login. Over here, you can see the first option Gap Incorporated Login, or you can type in intranet.com. It will take you to the official website of Gap Incorporated, where you can log into your Gap Incorporated account. And over here, enter your username of the account. And over here, enter your password. You can click on Remember My Username if you are using your private computer to stay logged in. But if you are using a public computer, I do not recommend you to do this. Once you do that, click on the Sign On button. You should be able to log into your Gap Incorporated employee account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here for Forgot Password to recover it. If you guys get any confusion while using it, you can click here, Terms of Use. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.